In the first video of this series, we looked at the 3 key ingredients to any successful affiliate marketing business and the 3 main methods of affiliate marketing, namely affiliate marketing with a profile, affiliate marketing with advertising, and affiliate marketing with a website. I'm Andrew Hansen from digitalworth.com, and in this video, we're going to dive deeper into these 3 main methods of affiliate marketing so you understand how each one works, which one might be best for you, and how you can get started earning affiliate commissions with each one as soon as possible. First things first, if you like this video, click the big red button to subscribe for free so you see immediately when we release new cutting-edge tips for how to earn more money with affiliate marketing. Okay, so let's go from the top and look at the first, maybe the most popular of the 3 main methods of affiliate marketing. That is affiliate marketing with a profile. Affiliate marketing with a profile is where you're using a platform like YouTube or Facebook or Instagram to create valuable content, build up an audience that you can then promote products to as an affiliate. If you want to see an example of successful affiliate marketing with a profile, you can look at the YouTube profile we uncovered in the last video. We'll leave it in the description below. She provides helpful information and high quality content. She makes recommendations. She drops affiliate links. She earns affiliate commissions. If you're thinking about starting affiliate marketing with a profile, there are 2 main pros and 2 main cons of this method that you need to understand. The main pros are, number 1, that you can start for free. It's free to set up a Facebook page, an Instagram account, or a YouTube profile, not to mention the countless other options of platforms. And as soon as that's done, you can start creating content and sharing affiliate links. Since it's also free to register for good affiliate programs and get your affiliate links, this is the lowest cost method for starting affiliate marketing. The second pro of this method is that for the main social platforms, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, your new profile for affiliate marketing has some built-in potential for traffic that you don't get with the other 2 methods. For example, with YouTube, if you do your research and publish a video on the right topic, it's possible you'll start magically getting a few visitors just by being found through YouTube search or suggested videos. It won't be a lot unless you do further promotional work, but it will be something and it will be free. The main cons of affiliate marketing with a profile are, number 1, you don't own the asset that you build. Facebook or YouTube or Instagram will always own all the content you create and all the audience you build up. And there's always the risk that this asset you're building up could be shut down or limited or demoted in some way. While this might not seem like a big deal, when you're building your income and your life around this asset, that's a higher level of risk than you might like to accept. The second con of affiliate marketing with a profile is that you have limited options for how you get traffic. If you have this asset built up on Instagram or Facebook and all of your content and value is within their ecosystem, how else can you get traffic? You can't make your Facebook posts rank in Google search, at least it's really hard. You can't advertise your Instagram post with Google AdWords, at least I've never seen it done. So while there's the potential for lots of traffic within your profile's ecosystem, it's really hard to branch out of that ecosystem, and that creates both a limitation and a risk for this business model. The bottom line here, affiliate marketing with a profile is great for getting started at a low cost, but as you'll see as we continue, it's more effective and less risky when used in conjunction with one of the other forms of affiliate marketing rather than as a strategy on its own. Okay, next we move on to affiliate marketing method number 2, affiliate marketing with advertising. If you remember from the last video, affiliate marketing with advertising is where you don't need a profile or a website, you just buy ads on other websites and direct the traffic straight to some affiliate offer that pays you commissions. More than likely, you've seen this before, but you just didn't realize this is what was happening. Take a look at this example ad I found on MSN.com. I clicked that ad and up came this webpage. And if I look at the address bar, here's what I see. See the part that says affiliate_ID? That tells me that this is an affiliate link. So an affiliate is paying to run that ad, probably paying per click or per 1,000 impressions, and earning commissions from anyone who clicks the ad and buys that course. On the surface of it, this looks like the easiest, most incredible form of affiliate marketing there is. You don't need a website, you don't need content, you can start generating traffic and earning commissions immediately. Well, those things are true, but some other things are also true about this form of affiliate marketing. First, this is a pay-to-play model of affiliate marketing. You only get traffic by purchasing ads, and if you don't have a decent budget to start with, you'll barely make it off the ground. You don't just pay to get started with this method, but you have to pay to get profitable. You have to pay to work out which combination of A, places you can advertise, and B, offers you can advertise are actually going to result in a profit. For example, you might bet that if you advertise this particular dog training program to people who are searching on Google for dog training, that the amount you'll spend on clicks will be less than what you make on the sale of a product. You'll essentially bet that if you spend $20 on clicks, you'll be able to generate at least one $25 commission. And if you can do that or better, you'll be happy. You'll keep that ad running, you'll expand on it, and you'll slowly grow in income. But the problem is, you don't know whether you'll have to spend $20 worth of clicks to generate a sale or $40 of clicks until you actually spend it. So what people in this business do is run lots of different ads for lots of different products, they kill off the losers, and they expand on the winners. It's a high risk, high reward kind of model. The second big difficulty with this model is the advertising itself. It might sound cool that you can get started getting traffic without a website or any content, but learning how to use Facebook ads or AdWords or any paid traffic platform is a skill arguably much more difficult than the skill of setting up a website. Not only do you have to learn various advertising platforms, but because they change so regularly, you have to keep relearning them. Bottom line, affiliate marketing with advertising can be profitable, but it's more complicated than it looks, it's very high risk, and it's not something we'd recommend to affiliate marketing beginners. Okay, so number 3, the last of the 3 main forms of affiliate marketing is affiliate marketing with a website. This form of affiliate marketing is where you build a simple website, you publish content on it, some of the content contains affiliate links, so when people find your content, click those links, and make purchases, you earn a commission. And at this point, I have to declare a bit of a bias. For us personally, this has been our primary form of affiliate marketing for the past 12 years. It's this method we used to generate more than $213,000 in affiliate commissions in a recent 12-month period. It's the method we've taught our students and what they've used to generate the results we talked about in previous videos. I also think I can make a good argument for why this is the best method for affiliate marketing for the average person, as long as what you're looking for is something that will still be earning you money in 5 years or 10 years time. You want to see an example of successful affiliate marketing with a website? Take a look at this website, bestofmachinery.com. They write product reviews and comparisons of tools and machinery. They get, at the time of writing this, it may have increased, something like 460,000 visitors a month just from Google, and they earn, by our educated guess, somewhere around $30,000 a month. So why is affiliate marketing with a website so good? Let me explain. First, there's no limit on how you can get traffic. Your website can rank in Google, you can advertise it, you can get mentioned on other websites, you can build a social profile alongside your website, and more. There's no method of generating traffic that's off limits to you when you're affiliate marketing with a website, and that is simply not true for the other forms of affiliate marketing. By comparison, the others are actually very limited in this regard. Number 2, there's no limit on how you can make money. Yes, you can make money with affiliate links, but you can also run advertising on your website. You can also build an email list. You can also do lead generation for some other business. You can expand into selling your own products. With method number 1, you have some of these, but not all of them. This means your potential is highest when you're affiliate marketing with a website. Reason number 3, you have full control of your asset. No one can delete your website from the internet. You own the whole thing, you can do whatever you want with it, you can't violate some social network's rules or regulations. You don't have to worry about seeing all your hard work disappear someday because of a mistake you didn't know you made. Number 4, you can sell your affiliate website for more than 30 times its monthly profit. It's pretty hard to sell a profitable social profile because it's usually based on a person, and it's nearly impossible to sell an ad-based affiliate business. But affiliate sites like the one I showed you above regularly sell for as much as 30 times their monthly profit. That means if your site is earning $1,000 a month, you could sell it for $30,000 cash. Students of ours have really done this. Number 5, you can start up for less than $100. You can't start literally for free like with method number 1, but you can get pretty close. You need a domain name that costs $10 and a hosting account for about $10 a month, and at bare bones, that's it. That can get you off the ground publishing content, getting traffic, and earning commissions. Last of all, affiliate marketing with a website is so great because you can leverage your existing skills or interests, but without using your name or your face if you don't want to. This is because your content will mostly be in written form. You can be the writer, but you can use a pseudonym if you want to, without damaging the earning potential of your business. Okay, so what about the cons? Well, the main con of this affiliate marketing method is that there's no overnight success. Like with a profile, it takes time to build up content on your website. It also takes time for that content to attract visitors, unless you have the budget to invest in advertising. It also takes a lot of work. You can either put the work in yourself, or if you have the budget and you know how, you can outsource it to somebody else. Either way, effort is going into this thing, and lots of it. But other than that, there are no cons that are unique to this form of affiliate marketing. You'll have the same work to do, picking a market, picking products, and working out the best way to get traffic, just with less risk, more long-term potential, the option to sell, and the option to expand into any other form of monetization that makes sense. Alright, so now you have a basic understanding of the 3 main methods of affiliate marketing. Don't forget, you also know the 3 core ingredients to the 3 main methods of affiliate marketing, namely a target market, an affiliate offer to sell, and traffic. You are now ready to move on and learn the very first steps to getting started in a real affiliate marketing business. That's what we're going to cover in the next video. If you have any questions about anything you learned in this video, don't hesitate to leave a comment below and we'll get back to you. And remember, hit the subscribe button so you get notified immediately when we release new videos on how to maximize your earnings with affiliate marketing. Thanks for watching.